Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen on Seedr tools. Give me just 20 seconds to explain. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's the deal with this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff that doesn't really matter, or you probably don't care about, just to drag this video out to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for Seedr right now. Plus a few key things about each one that actually matter, so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my whole research doc for free and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's get straight to it. Top 3 VPN services for Seedr and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Seedr. Why? First off, it works flawlessly with Seedr. Pretty important, right? Speed. It's honestly one of the fastest I've tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and excellent download and upload speeds. Perfect for quick, reliable Seedr downloads and streaming. Features. It's loaded. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support. Great price for what you get, and their support? Top notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, they don't. That's a fact. Encryption. They use the best encryption tech to keep your Seedr transfers private and secure. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no hassles, and pretty cheap for what it offers. Negatives, you get a 10 device limit. Second best for Seedr is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward no BS VPN built for pure speed and performance. Speed, crazy fast with consistent low ping, no lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth, speedy Seedr action. Features, all the essentials, plus a couple extras. A solid kill switch and split tunneling, which is awesome if you want to route only Seedr through the VPN or the other way around. Pricing and support, seriously good value. It's often cheaper than competitors but delivers top tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Do they keep logs? Nope, no logs at all. Their no-log policy is independently audited. Encryption? Uses top-level encryption tech, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy geeks a bit nervous. Plus, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN. Perfect for fast, private Seedr use and great value. Third best for Seedr is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a huge server network and the most customization of the three. Speed, very good. Tons of servers mean you'll always find a fast, uncrowded one near you for Seedr. Features, packed with goodies. A kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support. Usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support's pretty good, professional. Do they keep logs? Nope. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption, top encryption tech again, and it's customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't quite as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget but want a massive network and advanced features for Seedr. And that's it, my top 3 picks for Seedr: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick based on the colors or logos, you'll be just fine because they all work perfectly with Seedr. Quick recap before we wrap up. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Seedr. A premium experience with tons of features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it Seedr VPN that's incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can get the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.